I forgot. No pants. My dog ate my homework. I couldn't help it.
Okay,
I was hungry. He eating Bella dog. He eating Bella food. But she likes it. It slipped. He spilled his juice. You don't spill your juice, do you? But Dad says it. He said a bad word. Mommy cleaned his mouth out with soap. Excuse me. He goes, burp. No, it wasn't me. Yes, it was me. David is a bad boy. I'm sorry. Oh, he's a good boy now. The last page. I love you, Mom. Yeah, that is still 15 hours ago.
Read this one.
You want to read it now, Colin?
Read. Hey, Mama.
What's it say, Colin?
Oh, this is trouble.
Oh, David gets in trouble?
Oh, this is trouble.
Oh, he gets in trouble a lot, doesn't he? Does Colin get in trouble?
Yeah.
You do?
He hit Kinston once. Oh, yeah, he gets in trouble.
What's he doing there?
It's an old chicken.
Really?
This one is a little egg.
Okay.
Wait,
This one is
Bubby, what's this word?
this one.
Okay. I. Okay. Say this. I
Ooh.
was hungry.
Hungry.
Good. Okay.
And a latte.
But
Oh,
she,
what's he doing to that kitty?
it slipped.
Flip.
He make a mess?
It's different. Oh, David.
Oh, David.
This one.
What's he doing?
The end.
The end. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.